Hello, this is Va Yang, and this is the front end week 14 coding assignment. Really quickly, just kind of explaining what this is. So this is a movies review application. So pretty much what we want to do is that we want to have the user come in and write a review. All right. So I'm going to go over the requirements of this assignment. First thing is that I need a movie list with a container for all the movie components and their data. I can open this movie list right here and take a look at the code that I put in here. So this is the container for all the movie and their data. And for each movie object, it is to render a movie component. Second on this list is to have a movie component that represents the movie data. So now the movie component, and what I see here is this will show how the page will render each movie and the order of what we will see on the page. So pretty much it's like the movie title and the image, and then just the order of what we see. So synopsis, the rating, and then this is what we see right here, right? So the current rating is like 3.6 out of 5 stars. And then the next here on this list here is to show the stars. We can have the stars where users can choose between 1 through 5. And we have that right here. So I can click that and I can toggle between them between 1 through 5. And then after that is to have a review list, a container inside of a movie that houses a review, the review components. So the review list is right here, and this area right here houses the review components, right? So we can see that I have made some reviews already, and we can see that those reviews right here. Then going down that list, we see the review form. The review. So first is the text that the user can type into. So I can go right ahead and expand that if I want, and just write, this was a great movie, and then post that through. Okay, and now I can see that my post and my review has been posted up there. And then finally, we want to, on the review form, which is what I just went over, we just needed to make sure that it actually worked, and it did. So that's what I got there. I styled it with CSS as well, and also styled the stars. And I have included that for the rendering and the index.js. One thing to keep in mind really quickly about this project too is that I decided to not use an API, but to create the movies and the reviews myself. I did utilize Google for the pictures and IMDb for the rating and synopsis. Also, to satisfy the 5-star rating, IMDb uses a 10-star system, so I just divided the what was rated divided by 2 to get, let's say 3.6 out of 5 stars. So really quickly, this is what I see for my movies data and reviews. So this is kind of like my database, and you can see all that stuff right here, all the code that I have placed here. And as I scroll down, right, I can see that each of them has the picture, the name, the picture, the synopsis, the current rating, and I can say 3, for example. I can try this one too. Great, but I wanted more action, for example. I love this movie, by the way. So just do that. And Oblivion, let's say, okay, 4. And I can just say, truly mind-blowing. And then submit that. It works. Okay. This here, Evil Dead, I would say, wow, that's really scary. So really scary, and submit that. So that works. And then Princess Mononoke, I would just say, let's do 1 star. Not that I believe it's a 1 star, but I can just go, what is this, right? And just see here, and then it works. So that's what I have here for the week 14 coding assignment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.